Today we're looking at the 2019 GMC YUKON XL SLE in a Summit White. This one is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Heading on inside, we do have our jet black interior cloth seats. If we make our way down, we do have our power seat controls here on the bottom left, and of course our leather wrapped steering wheel. Moving on inside, we do have our infotainment system with Bluetooth capabilities, as well as we do have our radio controls, audio controls, and our dual climate controls here in the middle. If we look further down, you'll see we do have some extra storage in here to go alongside 2 cup holders, our middle console, and plenty of storage inside this console, paired with our 2 USB charge ports alongside our aux in the middle. Moving along inside the interior here, we do have our power windows. You can find those right on our left-hand side driver door to go alongside our adjustable side mirror controls and our power locks. Up here, you'll find our drive modes and our automatic high beams. Moving along to the steering wheel here, we do have our voice recognition on the right-hand side, and on the left-hand side, you'll find our cruise control settings. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you'll see we do have the built-in rear view camera. Moving along to the back seats, we still have our jet black interior cloth. Of course, this is a bench seat. You can find all of our climate controls here in the middle to go alongside our AC outlet on the left-hand side. We also have some storage here at the bottom, and behind each front seat there is cubbies with extra storage and space. In the middle, you'll find our middle cup holder. And of course, if we pop this down, these seats are retractable, and that'll get you to our rear seats in the back. On the right-hand side, you'll find our cup holders on each side. Checking out the exterior here on our Yukon, of course, we do have our GMC logo in the middle with chrome accents along the grille. Moving along to the side, we do have 20-inch rims. Yukon XL badge here on the left-hand driver's side, and our adjustable side mirrors. Chrome accents along all the windows of the vehicle. And of course, on top we have our black roof rails, and down low we have our blacked out running boards. If we move along to the side of the vehicle here, we do have rear tint. And moving all the way to the back, you'll see the Yukon XL badge once again at the bottom left corner. Let's head on inside to the trunk here. You'll find it right here, the buttons underneath hidden. Pop it open, and you'll see we have plenty of space and storage inside. These seats are retractable. You can find the levers here and here to maximize your storage. Of course, we have these hooks here on each side of the trunk to make sure you strap in anything you might need. And last but not least, we have some extra storage cubbies in here. And that is our 2019 GMC YUKON XL SLE in a Summit White. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.